Hi, my name is Peter Ndlovu. It's just a difficult time for some of us to express how we feel over talent and the soul gone too soon. BB, as we know him, Banda, what a talent, and was on the verge of showing his potential for the national team and all that stuff. Unfortunately, we're not with him due to the circumstances, God wants. Condolences to the family, to his wife, kids, and of course, the football fraternity is a great loss for us, and it's unexplainable. But God has got His way of doing things, and rest in peace, brother, colleague, friend, and of course a father to the children who's left, and the wife. Rest in peace, my brother. That's all we can say. God bless.